So, if your Google Nest Mini can't connect to the Wi-Fi, well, there are a few things that you need to do here. So, first things first is you want to unplug your Nest Mini. So, disconnect the power cable from your Nest Mini and leave it unplugged for about 20 seconds. Now, this clears any temporary glitches. And next is you want to turn off the microphone. So slide the small switch on the side of your device to the off position. Now you'll know it's off when the indicator shows a red background. Now, next is you want to plug the Nest Mini back in, then press and hold your finger on the center of the device. Now keep holding for about like 10 seconds until you hear a message that reset process is starting. So don't release it until it confirms the reset. Now, on your phone or tablet, open the Google Home app. If you don't already have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play, and the app will guide you through the reconnecting your Nest Mini, or basically the process or the steps to reconnect your Nest Mini to Wi-Fi. Now, you want to select your home Wi-Fi network in the app, enter your password, finish your setup, and within a few minutes, your Nest Mini should be back online and ready to use. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.